Hello everyone. So this video will might be helpful for those people who are bad in grammar, just as me. So if you're writing letter, applications, uh, literature review, research paper, or any write-ups that you need to submit assignments, so this might be helpful if you're skeptical, if you're doubtful about your grammar. So there's an online free software. You can just search by the term Grammarly, and then you can this one, this is the official one, grammarly.com. So you can just click and then you can download the Grammarly on your PC. Okay, so oops, my network. Okay, so you can just download it. Now I want to check one of my write-ups. Let's say I want to check the grammar for these words which I have written. Now what I need to do is, after installing that Grammarly, so this is the write-ups that I want to check the grammar. So what I need to do is just click this Grammarly which you have installed earlier. So when you click Grammarly, you'll get an interface like this. So what you have to do is you just go to this one called new document. Just click here and then it will lead to a new interface. I'm just waiting for network. It's very poor out here. So you should get something like this. Okay, now you can either copy paste here or you can directly upload the new document, upload a file. Okay, so upload file, just click the entire PDF or Words document. So since it's a write-up, you'll just click this, upload it in this site. So when it is uploading, it will directly or it will automatically show the part that you need to correct. So however, it will depend on your internet. So it already says that your internet is slower. Of course it is. Okay, so just click done, and then you should get correction here. There you go. Okay, so so to replace those words, you just click here on the suggestion portion. You just click is okay, and okay, automatically correction in agree ecosystem. What does they want to correct? And in place of agree ecosystem, they want us to put an agree ecosystem. So I'll just click here. For complex, they want us to change with a complex, and agree ecosystem is a complex. Similarly, if I click on a 2 into it, they are suggesting us to turn it into. So those were the minor corrections. However, on the premium, they want, which is a paid thing, you can pay and do some major corrections like word choices, sentence correction, and other things. Okay, so but I don't need those things, which I'm more satisfied with the free version. So since I've corrected the minor corrections, what I do is I will just download this. So to download, I'll just click the top right button, the 3 button, and then I just click download. So when I click download, it should automatically download. Here it is. So you just click here, and then when it opens, the download, the edited one is here. Okay, see, so here it is. So that's how I do the correction, those minor correction, before I send it for any review or anything like that. Yeah, thanks for watching.